Right, so well, the information sign that you see after you cross the road from where I was just speaking. And so this actually, that's hang on, which way are we? That's north, right? Ta-da! North Point, the drawing has a north point, which is very good. That's, the north is this way. The main town centre is sort of over in that direction over there. Right? So all of this was an existing hill beforehand, and you can see here the pagoda, which is one of the main features of this park, on top of the hill. Now that walkway where I was just walking a minute ago is over here, right? And as we saw, the trees have grown up so much since the park was built 30 years ago that you can't even see this pagoda from that walkway, although it was actually carefully located to be centered on that walkway. Anyway, never mind. So what we're going to do, I think what we'll do is, we'll go from here, we'll walk around to this area and then up the main walkway to the pagoda, and then from there we can go down and have a look at the lake area here. And then you can see that we had a certain list of requirements from LCSD, from the Leisure and Cultural Services Department, the things that we had to fit in, right? So a water feature, but then we could interpret that as any way we liked, and we in fact have several different water features, including a waterfall just down below the pagoda here. We had to fit in a football ground and some other facilities. Another thing about this particular park is that over here, this is actually an area full of gum tap, right? Bone pots, right? So this is full of pots full of human remains. And we couldn't move those, and also because this was an existing hill in what used to be a rural area, we all used to be surrounded by farmland, and so we also have some traditional Chinese graves here and there within the park that could not be removed, so they had to be incorporated. And later I'll explain how we used the topography and planting to try and screen out these things, which of course are not really particularly desirable to have in the middle of the park. Here, we'll move to another video, then I'll show you how it compares with the original design drawing.